This is the real Tom Rose, and we're dealing with an expression and an equation. So they ask us to solve for the expression, which requires us to input two things, the value of a and the value of b. Now we only have one equation which has both a and b in it. So I can tell by looking at it that we're not going to be able to generate values for a and b, right? If you have two variables, you're going to need two independent equations to generate values for those two variables. So since we're not going to be able to do that, the only way this is going to work out is if after we do a substitution, these two terms cancel out and the answer is 0. It's kind of the only way that this can work. So I'm already pretty sure this is going to be our answer choice. But let's go through the substitution and plugging in, canceling out, just to make sure anyway. So let's reword this by multiplying by b on both sides. We'll get a equals 2/3 b. Now let's plug that in to this equation and hope they cancel. So a times 2/3 b squared minus 4b squared. And so we'll have 9 times, let's square 2/3, that's what, 4/9? 4/9 b squared minus 4b squared. You can already see it's going to cancel out. So the 9 and the 9 cancel, and we end up with 4b squared minus 4b squared, which equals 0. So the unknown is 0 as we suspected, and that's going to be your correct answer.